My doctors told me I had COPD. It knocked me to my knees. Went in the hospital 3 years ago. Came out on oxygen 24/7. Wound up here because I didn't want to die. I couldn't move. I was sitting in my chair like a zombie. I couldn't get up and go to the sink. I couldn't go to the bathroom, walk up the hall 10 feet, 5 feet, move my arms around, cook, clean, anything. Had to sit in a chair. My husband had to do everything. I just felt helpless. 3 weeks after, one day I was sitting at the table and I felt really good. I thought, I'm going to take my oxygen off for a minute and cross the floor and get something off the table. And when I did so, I got busy doing something else and I noticed I was still standing there without oxygen on. And it wasn't dropping. So I went on a couple hours. I went 5 and 6 hours. And now I can sit here all day long. I can walk slowly without it. I can do my housework. I can clean. I couldn't. And it's amazing. I'm getting ahead of myself on a lot of this because I am really thankful to do what I'm doing. I have not had any trips to the emergency room. I haven't had any steroids, prednisone, or antibiotics in 2 years. I have not been to the emergency room doctors other than just little things in 2 years. Talking on the phone to my kids, my family, I couldn't do before. I run out of breath. Saying I love you and not really upping it out and not being able to say it plain. Walking to the park. I go walking at the park now. I go shopping like an adult again. But I can do things that you take for granted. Just walking to the bathroom, I'm going to take a shower. It's so nice to be able to do. Do it, exercise some, and keep yourself in shape. I was so out of shape because I'd given up on life that even after I came to see you here, I had to work, get myself back because I had given up. The Lung Institute is here. Don't give up.